butter Twix bars. Vegan, I think gluten-free, guilt-free, and it will taste good. Don't let that frighten you. To a large bowl, you're gonna add almond flour, coconut flour.
Bob? Welcome to Bob's Furniture. Doesn't look like a Twix yet.
Are you on Ville Marie?
No.
I'm gonna press this into our little pan. So now it's all nicely pressed. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. I'll check after 10 minutes. It should just be golden brown around the edges. Okay. Now let's get on to the filling. Peanut butter caramel filling. I'm just using the same bowl because less dishes. Okay, peanut butter, maple syrup, coconut oil. Isn't that pretty? And then once the crust comes out of the oven, we'll just put this on top.
Can't wait.
Layer on layer. Just took it out of the oven. Crust layer's done. Now we just put the filling. Crust, meat, filling. I just want to note that this recipe is for an 8x8 pan. I'm using a smaller pan so my layers will be thicker. Just wanted to note that. I'm going to put this in the freezer for 30 minutes just until it gets hardened. It could be longer, but we'll see. In the meantime though, let's melt our chocolate. Get that ready. Vegan chocolate chips and just a little coconut oil. Melting chocolate can be a little tricky, but if you do it in the microwave in slow intervals, you're good. Chocolate is getting everywhere. Doesn't this look good? Just got out of the freezer. Woo!
I feel like a chocolatier.
Wow.
What do I do?
That's good. Perfect, honey. Ethan perfecting chocolate layer. The last layer is done. I'm just gonna put these in the freezer for an hour just until the chocolate's firm. Then we can cut them into bars. Okay. It's been a little over an hour.
Ooh. Ah, how I like my Twix.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, you know what I forgot? It's right in front of me. Flakey salt, but is it too late? Oh no, it's not too late.
Salty.
Salty. Look at those layers. So good. I was gonna film me and Ethan eating the bars, but Ethan already ate it.
Eating.
They're good. They're really good.